Hello everyone, Andrew here, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna share with you my experience so far with a well-known affiliate platform called wealthyaffiliate.com. Probably you have heard of it. It has been around for a long time, since 2005, and it has more than 2 million users. Now, I joined this platform not longer than 6 months ago, but this is not a platform that I use to create a passive income. There is another reason why I joined it, and I'm still active on this site. But before we get into that, please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit that like button, also that notification bell, so you won't miss any future videos. So this is the dashboard of my Wealthy Affiliate account, and as you can see, it looks quite professional. It's easy to navigate. Don't get overwhelmed by all these buttons that you see here. As you can tell, I'm a free member, but there is also an upgrade, a premium membership, that for the first time it's $19 for 1 month, and then it's almost $50 every month. Now, as I mentioned, I'm not using this platform to earn money online. The reason why I joined this platform, after I did my research online, I watched some videos, I read a couple of reviews on Google, and then I decided to join it because they do, even as a free member, they do provide you with a WordPress website, which to me it's kind of professional. Alright, so let me just quickly show you my website I've created with Wealthy Affiliate as a free member, with WordPress based. Just quickly here, this is my website. It's actually easy to navigate on. It has everything you need, the menu, all the pages, the buttons, etc. Of course, it has some limitations because you are getting it for free, even with WordPress. And here is the WordPress logo, etc. So that's the only reason why I joined wealthyaffiliate.com. But of course, you can also earn money out of it, and they pay you well. If you go to affiliate revenue, okay, you can click on view full stats, and you can go on details. Here you will find all the information you need to know about earning with wealthyaffiliate.com. And as you can see here fast, you can earn big money. I've seen a lot of YouTube videos, people are earning money from this and are creating a residual income out of it. Okay, but that's not what I got into it with it. All right, and there is also a contest active. Achieve 300 premium referrals in 1 year, 2022, and you have an invitation with Kyle and Carson, which are the who are the who are the admin and owners, developers of this site in Las Vegas. Okay, they invite you in Las Vegas, as you can see here. So probably, maybe if you have a list with a lot of subscribers, you can promote Wealthy Affiliate, and who knows, maybe you'll be the winner. Anyway, Wealthy Affiliate basically will help you succeed online, as they've done already with a lot of people that then quit their 9 to 5 jobs. So it's basically a training platform. They will provide you with a WordPress website. They will teach you. If you go here to training as a free member, you can only be trained so much. You can only watch so much video. You have limitations, of course, but then again, if you are an intermediate on online marketing niche, then I think that's probably enough. But if you want to go further, you can upgrade, and they will train you and teach you how to create your website, how to promote your business online. And if you don't have any business to promote, you can they will help you to choose a niche that you like and help you create content for every product on that niche or service that you want to promote. So basically, if you are a newbie or if you are an advanced affiliate marketer, there is always something to learn here, and the training provided here, I think that it's more than enough. So within 2 weeks after creating my website as a free member, I got this badge. This icon here, as you can see, is a G icon from Google. It means that my website got indexed on Google. So basically, this is what Wealthy Affiliate does. They help you create your website, choose a niche, create content, and will help you through keyword research get your website indexed not only on Google but also on Bing and Yahoo as search engines. Sorry. Okay, so your website will be searchable and viewable on these three search engines. And if you follow the training step by step, if you put your work to it on a daily basis, your website will be at least on the first couple of pages of Google. Okay, then of course you can understand that it depends on you, how much content you write, the keywords you choose, etc. Wealthy Affiliate will teach you how to do that. Then of course it depends on the work you put in. After the first 2 weeks, after the moment I got my website got indexed on Google, after a couple of months, another post of mine got indexed on Google. Okay, so it means that it works, guys, even as a free member. But you can also upgrade to premium if you can afford it, and you will get 10 websites, more weekly live classes, more training, premium training, unlimited support, etc., etc. You can explore the offer if you sign up, which is for free. And by the way, of course, I'm going to leave my referral link in the description of this video. Here on dashboard you can find these are users of Wealthy Affiliate. So if you go premium, you can also create your own training for something that you promote or for something that you are good at. Of course, it has a lot more here, a lot more to check. You can also join a lot of affiliate programs if you already have a niche or a website indexed on Google that gets organic traffic. You can choose an affiliate platform here based on your niche, and you can see what products or services they offer, and you can start promoting them. So here on Wealthy Affiliate you can find everything. Even if you have nothing at all but you have some savings apart, you can invest it here. And of course it goes without saying again that you have to put a lot of work in it. I mean, your website won't just be indexed on Google automatically the moment you create it, right? You have to write content on a daily basis. You have to choose wisely your keywords, you have to do your research, what people want, what value can you add, etc., etc. So I think I already showed you my experience, because that was the main purpose I joined Wealthy Affiliate, just to get the good looking professional web-based WordPress-based websites, sorry. Okay, and of course I got all these other badges. And my website, thanks to Wealthy Affiliate, is now indexed on Google, and of course thanks to me for writing the content, but they taught me how to create the website via WordPress, which I knew nothing about. Okay, so again, if you are a newbie, it doesn't matter, follow the training, and during the training as a free member, after each lesson you will find some tasks. Of course, every lesson is accompanied with a video, and you will find also some tasks that you have to compute. So you learn, you practice, and then you jump to the next lesson until you complete all the 10 steps as a free member. And of course, if you want to take it further on, you can always upgrade to premium. Sorry. Okay, so I guess this is it for today's video, guys. I repeat again, there is a lot more here, but basically All you have to do is set up your account and then follow the training. They will guide you step by step on whatever you need to do. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers!